Becoming an education administrator in a school beyond high school is an important job that requires extensive experience and expertise. An education administrator may work, for example, at a college, university, or adult vocational school. The job is multifaceted.
Hi, Robert. Good. Have a seat.
The administrator oversees such things as student orientation, guidance, housing, and discipline. Another area of control is the academic program, ensuring that standards and schedules are being met.
Okay, so let's just review briefly what's going to happen at the Board of Regents meeting on Friday.
This broad occupational group includes academic deans, provosts, department heads, deans of students, registrars, admission and financial aid directors, and many others. An education administrator is someone who usually has worked up through the administrative ranks. Sometimes a faculty member makes the transition to an administrative role. A love of academic and campus life is a good starting point. You'll also need strong organizational skills and the ability to deal with budgets and to delegate. Many of these positions require special coursework and advanced degrees as well as a state license or certification. This can be a very rewarding career. As each year's graduates head out into the world, you have the satisfaction of knowing you helped pave the way for their future.